Is it funny?
No, I find it funny that you find it funny.
Bruh.
Was that a laugh?
I was sniffing. In this video, we're reacting to the funniest badminton moments on the internet. And if we can survive until the end of the video, I'll give a racket away to you guys. Maybe.
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 Today we have Koyo, our videographer. Let's do this. I don't think I'm gonna laugh. That was close. Okay, this next clip. What is this, man? Why is he doing that?
He's in the zone. He's in the zone. Everyone laughed at the Karate Kid when he did his stance. What? Does that happen often?
No, that never happens. Is it funny?
No, I find it funny that you find it funny.
What? Wait, was it broken before he hit it?
I don't know. It just snapped on him. Wait, are we screen recording?
That's funny.
That's pretty funny.
The editor does
Editors,
not...
good luck.
I'm sorry, editor. It hit her head?
Oh.
That's not funny. That's painful.
Yeah. Oh man, that sucks. Yeah. What? Off the noggin?
I don't know if that's funny. The bouncing into each other's... What is this edit? He could have just went there and won that point with a jump smash, but it's
What the hell?
Oh, that's kind of funny. She lost a lot of aura.
A couple more rackets. That's
Both their rackets broke?
What?
Man, that's unfortunate.
Wait.
I've never seen both.
Kevin Sukamura. Oh, he just lost his racket there. I thought it was gone.
Was that a laugh?
I was sniffing. It's cold here.
We're inside.
There's no heater in here. Do you feel heat?
No.
That was a sniff.
Shout out Japan.
What happened?
Wow, that was so bad. It's not like his racket,
Completely
bro.
missed
He
the bird?
He just whiffed it.
Wow. I like how they color grade him
Yeah,
like
that was
colorless.
That's some good editing right there.
Good job, Shuttle Strong. Wait, Shuttle Strong, do you want to edit for our channel? Oh no, I'm sorry. I can't betray our editor.
Oh.
Okay. This was on the thumbnail. There's a bat that comes in.
oh now. There we are. There's a bit of wildlife come down onto the court.
Man, what is that
Yeah,
emoji
it's
editing?
buzzing about.
Kind of
What
funny
is that?
actually.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
That's like a bat.
There we are.
That was like a bird
know
or
what
something.
that is, yeah.
I almost laughed though. I don't know why that was almost funny.
You almost laughed at that? Oh. Isn't this the guy with the weird stance?
Yeah.
Yo, that's disrespectful.
Where did he hit?
On his head. Oh, that's disrespectful.
Yeah. I wonder who would laugh at that. Maybe you're like 5 years old. If you laughed at it and you're not 5 years old, should I roast them or should I take it back?
Roast him. Actually, take it back.
Yeah.
What? Oh.
How did they gray out one person?
What? The head fell off?
Yeah.
Does that happen?
Yeah. Wait. Editor, can you gray me out for the rest of this video?
Wait, Shadowstone, you want to edit for our channel?
Koyo is gonna be in color. I want to be
color.
gray.
Just get funnier and funnier.
Yeah, it's supposed to be harder and harder.
Wow, that was...
Where did it go?
Oh!
What is the funniest moment you can think of? Like, if I were to think of a scenario, I think it'd be like if you're playing doubles and someone from behind you accidentally whips it into your butt cheek, but then you clench it just at the right time so it stays in your... Yeah, I couldn't finish the sentence.
I think my funniest moment that I can think of is you're playing doubles, you swing at the bird, but your doubles partner is watching. He swings at your balls. I'll never be a comedian. I'll never be a comedian.
No, I would go like, if I watched it on the video, I'd be like, oh.
But you can see a ripple.
There's an age gap here. He has yet to see ripple.
You've seen ripple?
One time, actually, I don't know why it just suddenly came to my memory. I saw like this 80-year-old guy washing his in the sink. Like, in the sink of the washroom. Yes, anyways. Badminton. More head hitting.
Oh, his head's just gray.
What? What happened? How do you hit it that down? How did his partner know so fast that was gonna happen?
He just got so...
Like his partner reacted like instantly. He wasn't even confused. He's like, man, what the heck? Why did he know right away what happened? Oh, he saw?
Yeah, it's like right there.
Well, it's a broken string.
Wow.
Wow.
Judging.
Oh my goodness.
Some
What happened?
teammate.
What was that?
And the Danes indeed are through to the final.
Yo, how is that? Tee him up. How is that not a
It would be
unsportsmanlike?
funny if Franklin did that.
I can never see Franklin doing that.
Imagine it.
Oh my goodness. Hit him in the back. And
We hit him in the back and then he did this?
through to the final.
There's no like sportsmanship thing for this?
Extravagant celebrations by Anders Rasmussen.
He must have been on one.
The umpire. Oh, is this the bat again?
Bat. It's back.
We're bringing it back? Are we at the end? Did we survive? Oh, we're bringing it back?
Survived. I think it's like
We're
a
gonna
recap
survive?
video.
Or is it gonna bring like one surprise one all of a sudden? Wait, why are they doing this? Oh, I know why. It's because their video's not 8 minutes long and they need to get it past 8 minutes and insert more mid-roll ads.
Ah, Shuttle Strong. We're on to you. We're on to you.
Okay, we'll watch it for the sake of giving them an opportunity to win a racket. Okay, I think we survived.
That wasn't too bad.
I mean, the worst parts were not badminton related, like when you shout out Japan and also the ball stuff. I don't know if I should film one of these with you again. All right, you do the outro.
All right, guys,
I'm
if you
gonna
guys
go
like
take a
this
break.
video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more of our videos, check it out down here.
No, you got the most important call
What
to
did I
action. You know our call to action?
Join our YouTube membership. That's what it was.